What a midsize SUV really costs per month. Welcome to another deep dive into the real costs of vehicle ownership. If you're considering a midsize SUV and think you've got the monthly budget figured out based on the payment alone, you're about to discover a financial reality that could change your entire purchase decision. The actual monthly cost of owning a midsize SUV can be double or even triple what most buyers calculate. And this miscalculation has left countless families struggling with transportation expenses they never saw coming. We're going to break down every single monthly expense associated with midsize SUV ownership, from popular models like the Toyota Highlander and Honda Pilot to the Ford Explorer and Chevrolet Traverse. What you're about to learn will expose the hidden costs that dealerships conveniently forget to mention during the sales process, and help you understand whether you can actually afford the SUV lifestyle you're considering. Industry data suggests that the average midsize SUV owner spends between $850 and $1,400 per month when all ownership costs are properly accounted for. That's significantly more than the $500 to $700 payment that most buyers focus on exclusively. This gap between perceived cost and actual cost has destroyed family budgets and created financial stress for households that thought they were making responsible vehicle decisions. Throughout this video, we're going to examine 8 critical cost categories that determine what you'll really pay each month. We'll look at purchase prices and payment structures across different trim levels. We'll break down insurance premiums that shock new SUV owners. We'll analyze fuel costs that have skyrocketed with recent gas price increases. We'll examine maintenance expenses that separate reliable brands from money pits. We'll explore tire costs, depreciation impacts, and the hidden fees that add up quickly. By the end, you'll know exactly what a midsize SUV actually costs per month, and whether it fits your real budget. Purchase price and monthly payment reality. Let's start with what you'll actually pay to drive a midsize SUV off the lot, and what that translates to in monthly payments. This is where most buyers begin their research, but it's also where the first layer of financial complexity emerges that catches families unprepared for the true cost of ownership. Base model midsize SUVs from mainstream brands typically start around $35,000 to $40,000. The Toyota Highlander begins around $38,000. The Honda Pilot starts near $39,000. The Ford Explorer and Chevrolet Traverse both start around $36,000 to $38,000. However, industry data suggests that fewer than 10% of buyers actually purchase base models without additional options or upgrades. Most buyers opt for mid-level trims with desirable features, like upgraded infotainment, safety packages, leather seating, and better audio systems. These mid-level configurations push prices into the $45,000 to $52,000 range. Top-tier trims with all available options, premium materials, and advanced technology packages easily reach $55,000 to $65,000 for non-luxury brands. With a traditional finance structure of 10% down and a 60-month loan at current interest rates of 6 to 7%, a $45,000 midsize SUV generates monthly payments of approximately $750 to $825. A $55,000 fully loaded model pushes payments to $925 to $1,000 monthly. These payment amounts represent what most buyers focus on exclusively, but they're just the beginning of the actual monthly cost story. Leasing presents an alternative payment structure. Mid-size SUVs typically lease for approximately $500 to $700 monthly for mid-level trims with minimal money down. This lower payment attracts many buyers, but leasing creates its own cost complications, including mileage restrictions, wear and tear penalties, and the perpetual payment cycle without building equity. Long-term studies indicate that buyers who finance mid-size SUVs typically pay $3,000 to $5,000 in interest over the loan term, adding $50 to $83 to the effective monthly cost. Trade-in timing and negative equity from previous vehicles further complicate the payment picture for many families. Insurance costs that add up. Fast insurance represents one of the most significant monthly costs of midsize SUV ownership, and the premium amounts surprise most new owners who underestimate this expense during the purchase process. The size, weight, and repair costs of midsize SUVs create insurance premiums that substantially exceed smaller vehicles, adding hundreds of dollars to monthly ownership expenses. For a typical family with a clean driving record in a suburban area, comprehensive and collision insurance for a mid-size SUV costs approximately $180 to $280 monthly, or $2,100 to $3,360 annually. This compares to $120 to $180 monthly for a sedan, creating an additional $60 to $100 in monthly insurance costs purely due to the SUV choice. Several factors drive these elevated premiums. Mid-size SUVs cause more damage and accidents due to their weight and higher ride height. Industry data suggests that insurance claims involving SUVs average 20 to 35% higher than sedan claims due to increased damage to other vehicles and infrastructure. The higher replacement cost for SUVs typically $45,000 to $65,000, require higher coverage limits that increase premiums accordingly. Geographic location creates substantial variations in SUV insurance costs. Urban areas with higher theft rates and more traffic congestion command premiums 25 to 40% higher than suburban or rural areas. A Honda Pilot that costs $200 monthly to insure in a Midwestern suburb might cost $280 to $320 monthly in major metropolitan areas like Los Angeles, New York, or Miami. Driver age and history dramatically impact insurance costs. Families with teenage drivers adding a midsize SUV to their policy might see monthly premiums increase by $150 to $350 depending on the teen's age and gender. Even a single at-fault accident can increase monthly premiums by $40 to $80 for 3 to 5 years. Ownership trends show that comprehensive coverage becomes particularly important for financed SUVs due to lender requirements. Deductibles represent a critical decision point, with $500 deductibles costing approximately $30 to $50 more monthly than $1,000 deductibles. Fuel costs hit every month. Monthly fuel costs for mid-size SUVs represent an ongoing expense that fluctuates with gas prices, but consistently exceeds smaller vehicles by substantial margins. With most mid-size SUVs averaging at 19 to 25 miles per gallon in combined driving, the fuel budget becomes a significant portion of total monthly ownership costs that many families underestimate. For a family driving 1,200 miles monthly, which represents typical suburban driving patterns of commuting, errands, and weekend activities, a mid-size SUV averaging 22 miles per gallon consumes approximately 55 gallons of fuel monthly. At current national average gas prices of $3.50 per gallon, this translates to $192 in monthly fuel costs. Compare this to a sedan averaging 32 miles per gallon, which would cost $131 monthly for the same mileage, and the SUV creates an additional $61 in monthly fuel expenses. Fuel costs scale directly with driving patterns. Families covering 1,500 miles monthly face fuel bills of approximately $240 per month. Those with longer commutes or active lifestyles driving 1,800 miles monthly spend approximately $288 monthly just on gasoline. Industry data suggests that approximately 35% of mid-size SUV owners exceed 1,500 monthly miles, pushing their fuel costs well above $200 monthly. Fuel efficiency variations among mid-size SUV models create significant cost differences. The Toyota Highlander Hybrid achieves approximately 35 miles per gallon combined, reducing monthly fuel costs to $120 for 1,200 monthly miles. The Ford Explorer with a standard turbocharged 4-cylinder averages 21 miles per gallon, costing $200 monthly. Larger engines in models like the Chevrolet Traverse or Nissan Pathfinder averaging 18 to 20 miles per gallon push monthly fuel costs into the $210 to $233 range. Long-term studies indicate that gas price volatility significantly impacts the monthly fuel budget. Well, when gas prices spike to $5 per gallon in some markets, monthly fuel costs for mid-size SUVs exceeded $300 to $350 for typical driving patterns, creating unexpected budget strain for families unprepared for this variability. Maintenance and scheduled service expenses. Monthly maintenance costs for mid-size SUVs vary substantially based on brand reliability and service requirements. But even the most reliable models create ongoing monthly expenses that exceed smaller vehicles due to larger fluid capacities, more expensive filters, and higher labor costs for servicing bigger vehicles. Most midsize SUVs require scheduled maintenance every 5,000 to 7,000 miles or 6 months for basic services. These services typically cost $120 to $220 per visit, depending on whether synthetic oil is required and what additional inspections are included. For a family driving 12,000 miles annually, this represents 2 basic services, plus potentially 1 more comprehensive service, totaling approximately $400 to $700 annually, or $33 to $58 monthly when averaged. However, maintenance extends beyond oil changes. Industry data suggests that complete scheduled maintenance for midsize SUVs over the first 5 years, or 60,000 miles, averages $3,000 to $5,000, compared to $2,000 to $3,500 for sedans. This translates to approximately $50 to $83 monthly over the first 5 years, with costs increasing substantially after warranty expiration. Tire replacement represents a significant average monthly cost. Mid-size SUVs require larger tires that cost $150 to $250 each. Ownership trends show these vehicles need tire replacement every 40 to 50,000 miles, compared to 50 to 60,000 miles for sedans. For a family driving 12,000 miles annually, this averages approximately $720 to $1,000 every 3 to 4 years, or $15 to $25 monthly when properly distributed. Brake service costs run higher for SUVs due to increased weight and larger brake components. A complete brake job on a mid-size SUV typically costs $800 to $1,300 at the dealership and occurs every 50 to 70,000 miles. Long-term studies indicate this averages approximately $12 to $20 monthly over extended ownership. Additional maintenance items include transmission service every 60,000 miles at $250 to $400, coolant flushes, differential service for all-wheel drive models, and air filter replacements. These items add another $10 to $15 to averaged monthly maintenance costs. Repairs, reliability, and unexpected costs. Beyond scheduled maintenance, unexpected repair costs separate reliable midsize SUVs from problematic models and create monthly financial burdens that vary dramatically based on brand choice. This expense category becomes particularly important after warranty expiration when owners bear full responsibility for repair costs. Reliability data reveals substantial differences among midsize SUV brands. The Toyota Highlander and Honda Pilot consistently rank among the most reliable options, with average annual repair costs after warranty of approximately $600 to $900 or $50 to $75 monthly. The Mazda CX-9 and Hyundai Palisade show similar reliability patterns with monthly repair costs averaging $50 to $80. American brands demonstrate more mixed reliability. The Ford Explorer has experienced numerous reliability issues in recent model years, with ownership trends showing average annual repair costs of $1,200 to $1,800 after warranty, or $100 to $150 monthly. The Chevrolet Traverse performs somewhat better at approximately $900 to $1,300 annually, or $75 to $108 monthly. Common failure points across midsize SUVs include transmission issues, particularly in models with turbocharged engines or complex 9 and 10-speed automatic transmissions. Transmission repairs typically cost $2,500 to $5,000. Industry data suggests that approximately 8 to 12% of midsize SUVs experience significant transmission problems within the first 10 years, creating catastrophic repair events for affected owners. All-wheel drive systems represent another reliability concern. Transfer case and differential failures can cost $1,500 to $3,500 to repair. Electronic issues with all-wheel drive engagement systems frequently cost $800 to $1,500 to diagnose and repair. Long-term studies indicate that approximately 15 to 20% of all-wheel drive midsize SUVs experience some AWD system failure within the first decade. Suspension components wear faster on SUVs due to increased weight. Strut and shock replacements cost approximately $600 to $1,200 for all four corners. Control arm bushings, ball joints, and sway bar links create ongoing maintenance expenses averaging $20 to $40 monthly when properly distributed over ownership. Depreciation and total monthly cost. Reality. Depreciation represents the largest single cost of midsize SUV ownership when properly calculated, and understanding this invisible monthly expense reveals the true financial impact of these vehicles. Unlike the obvious costs of payments, insurance, and fuel, depreciation operates silently but relentlessly, reducing your net worth every single month you own the vehicle. A $45,000 midsize SUV like a mid-trim Toyota Highlander or Honda Pilot typically loses approximately $9,000 to $11,000 in value during the first year, or $750 to $917 monthly. By year 3, these vehicles have lost approximately $18,000 to $22,000 in total value, averaging $500 to $611 monthly in depreciation over that period. Moving to less reliable or less popular models, depreciation accelerates substantially. A Ford Explorer or Nissan Pathfinder purchased for $45,000 might lose $12,000 to $15,000 in the first year alone, or $1,000 to $1,250 monthly. By year 3, total depreciation can reach $25,000 to $30,000, averaging $694 to $833 monthly. Industry data suggests that mid-size SUVs depreciate approximately 10 to 15% faster than sedans over the same time period but slower than luxury vehicles. However, this varies dramatically by brand, with Toyota and Honda retaining value substantially better than American or Nissan brands. A 3-year-old Highlander might retain 55 to 60% of its original value, while a 3-year-old Explorer retains approximately 45 to 50%. When depreciation is added to all other monthly costs, the complete monthly ownership picture becomes clear. For a reliable midsize SUV like a Honda Pilot, total monthly costs including payment, insurance, fuel, maintenance, repairs, and depreciation range from $1,100 to $1,400 for typical ownership scenarios. Less reliable models like the Ford Explorer can push total monthly costs into the $1,300 to $1,600 range when repair costs and faster depreciation are factored appropriately. Long-term studies indicate that buyers who keep mid-size SUVs for 8 to 10 years experience total cost of ownership of approximately $60,000 to $85,000 beyond the initial purchase price, or $625 to $885 monthly when averaged over the entire ownership period. Final verdict and call to action. Welcome to the conclusion of our comprehensive breakdown of what a mid-size SUV really costs per month. After examining every major expense category from the obvious payment amounts to the hidden costs of depreciation, repairs, and premium fuel consumption, we can now deliver a clear verdict on the true monthly financial burden these vehicles create. The total monthly cost of mid-size SUV ownership ranges from $1,100 to $1,600 when all expenses are properly accounted for. This includes monthly payments of $650 to $1,000 insurance, of $180 to $280 fuel, of $190 to $240. Maintenance of $50 to $80, repairs of $50 to $150, depending on brand, and depreciation of $500 to $800. These numbers don't even include registration fees, car washes, or parking costs that add another $50 to $100 monthly for many families. For financially responsible ownership, industry data suggests that total transportation costs should not exceed 15% of gross household income. This means a mid-size SUV with complete monthly costs of $1,300 requires minimum household income of $8,667 monthly, or approximately $104,000 annually. However, ownership trends show that the median mid-size SUV buyer earns approximately $75,000 to $85,000 annually, indicating widespread overspending in this category. The financially savvy mid-size SUV buyer follows specific patterns. They purchase models with proven reliability, like the Toyota Highlander or Honda Pilot, avoiding problematic models that create expensive repair burdens. They keep vehicles for 8 to 12 years, spreading depreciation over extended periods. They maintain emergency funds specifically for unexpected repairs. They ensure their complete monthly vehicle cost remains below 12% of gross income, leaving room for retirement savings and other financial priorities. The buyer who struggles financially typically finances the maximum amount their payment budget allows without calculating insurance, fuel, and maintenance costs. They trade vehicles every 3 to 4 years, taking the maximum depreciation hit repeatedly. They choose models based on appearance or features rather than reliability data. They view SUVs as necessities rather than choices, never considering whether a sedan or smaller crossover might meet their actual needs at substantially lower cost. If this complete monthly cost breakdown opened your eyes to what mid-size SUVs really cost and helped you make a more informed decision, smash that like button and share this video with anyone considering an SUV purchase. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because we expose the real numbers behind major vehicle purchases that dealerships don't want you to calculate. Drop a comment telling us whether you're driving an SUV or considering the switch and whether this analysis changed your perspective. Thanks for watching, and welcome back for our next cost breakdown where we'll examine another vehicle category most buyers misunderstand.